Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fan Cave. It's Thanksgiving 2016, and what I have today is a NuTone Hacienda. Yeah, it's a pretty recognizable fan. You can tell by the five-pointed switch housing cap, little medallion. It has five... a little design with 5 points, kind of like a an alloy wheel or something like that. It has these little, the vents. They're painted vents. They're not actual vents, but just solid metal. But then it has these little diamond shapes. Very distinct blade brackets. So it's a very recognizable fan. I acquired 2 of these in a really cool-looking install. Yeah, the guy's wife just wanted newer metal 3-blade things, so down came the old NuTones. So you've got fast, and they're on a sloped ceiling, so they have the adapters. At medium. And low. Now, I'm not going to say these are... I'm not going to go so far as to say these were childhood fans of mine, because I honestly don't know if they were or not. I remember seeing NuTone fans with the switch cap, but I always thought they were Veranda Deluxes, so they may in fact have been some, there may have been some Haciendas I saw in there, as well as, actually no, not Sea Islands, they never had the caps, but except for the ones that I put on, but there may have been some Haciendas mixed in there as well, but I like them. I think they're really cool looking. I like the design, on the facade. I like the switch housing cap. And yeah, I have 3 of these, 2 with the caps, one that had a light kit, but just has the plate with the hole in it now. So that I would consider putting up for sale or trade, if anybody's interested. Yeah, these 2, not as of right now. And now for the spin down. I want to take this moment to thank you folks for checking out this video. Please do click like and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave, and feel free to check out my Facebook page of the same name. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck. We're going to need it.